Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor here in Vancouver, and today I'm with Josh Raber of Vancouver Diamonds. Josh is going to help me demonstrate some exercises which are going to help improve your posture, keep you in tip-top shape, and help prevent injury. Exercise is one of the three components of spinal hygiene. When you combine physical activity with exercise, stretching, and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please like it, feel free to leave a comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We've got a lot more great content coming, and so please enjoy this video and we'll speak to you shortly. Well, this exercise is borrowed from our yoga friends, and we're going to start in the downward dog position. Exactly. Downward dog is a great way to stretch the back muscles, the hamstrings, and the calves. From this position, we're going to lower ourselves down into a plank position and then drop ourselves forward into the upward dog position. Exactly. Each position hold for 3 to 5 seconds and then move from this position into the child's pose. A great way to relieve low back tension. We're going to do that one more time. Into the downward dog position. Excellent. Breathe through each of these moves. Moving down into a plank. Work your way down to a plank. And then down into the upward dog position. Keep that breathing. And finishing off in child's pose. Great way to treat and prevent low back pain. Thanks, Josh. Thanks again for watching. And once again, my name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, please visit my website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email me with any questions that you have. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life. Thanks a lot, Josh. Thanks for helping.
Thanks for having me, Michael.
You bet. Have a great day, everyone.